Hey, what's up, guys? I'm bringing another video. I guess you could also say a tutorial. So yeah, let's just get to it. Okay. So, you're a basic user, or advanced, whatever the case may be from your point of view. You know a lot of computers or you don't, You want to buy your computer. You want to buy a computer. The reason why I picked this computer is because of two reasons. One, I like HP. HP is my main brand. And two, this is a good computer for like, media-wise computer, like, for instance, watching movies, listening to music, surfing the web, doing your work, documents and stuff. It does, it could go gaming, but games like World of Warcraft, RuneScape, around that nature. It also does very little video editing, most likely Photoshop maybe. Video editing, not so much, and advanced gaming, like Black Ops, playing Black Ops on this, not so much either. But this is, a basic computer. So let's say, let's say you have $650 to spend on a computer, right? And you visit Best Buy or your local retail stores that sell computers, and you go and you see this computer HP, and there's a couple of things you like, a couple of things you don't like, but hey, what can you do, right? So pretty much I made another list at Newegg.com. This is a custom build. These are pretty much the exact same specs as the HP computer build. Exactly the same processor, the same amount of RAM, the same amount of storage, all that stuff. But this is way better, going custom build. And before I tell you why, let me tell you the products real quick. For a custom build, we have a Lighton DVD writer. This is LightScribe. We have a case that comes with a 430 watt power supply. We have a 1.5 terabyte hard drive, 720 RPM. We have 6 gigs of RAM, DDR3. We have an MSI with onboard video and audio, Intel Core i3 550, and a Microsoft Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit. This is, for instance, the same thing. This is actually exactly the same thing, but the custom build parts are better than the HP. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Pretty much, you could rate this product number down, P6730F, and you can look it up either in Best Buy or HP.com. If you go to HP.com and type this in, it gives you more specifications on your power supply. It gives you pretty much more info on your hardware, on this HP hardware. So we have the exact same build here, both same builds. Core i3, this is the, 550. If you go to their HP's website and type this in, the processor is the same thing, 550. So yeah. So you have all this built, and here's the reason why I tell you it's better. For one, custom built computers is always stable. It's always reliable. It's always life lasting. What I mean by that is HP computers, especially for when it comes to motherboard, they die quickly. They could last to maybe 3 to 4 years, maybe 5 years, but sooner or later they start dying. The performance goes slower, and etc. I know because I had an HP computer that I bought 5 to 7 years ago. It came with a flat screen monitor as well, and it started dying on me after maybe 4 years. There was hard drive problems. I had to replace the hard drive. Motherboard started acting up. RAM. I have to upgrade a couple parts in there. The motherboard starting to die. Slow performance. All that stuff. That's why I don't personally like factory built computers. Now it is, on the other hand, good because you can just go to your retail stores, you can buy right on hand, and it's already pre-built. That's it. You just bring it home. But if you want your money's worth, sorry, I had to pause there for a minute. Where was I? I was talking about. Okay, so yeah, pretty much you could buy it. You could also do this great stuff, or you could save a lots of money and have a computer that can last a very long time, and you won't have to worry about upgrading unless you want to upgrade. Or excuse me. What I mean by upgrading is replace parts. There you go. What I mean, you don't want to have to replace within the next 5 years. This is a custom build is to go. So pretty much we have one built right here for $400, and it's just rounded up to $495. This, on the other hand, is $650. So we save pretty much $155. Yeah, I think you would want to go with the better half of building a custom build. Now, building a custom build, this even if you're basic or you're not basic, or you know a little bit about computers, hardware, whatever the case may be, you don't know how to build them, and you say, "Oh wow, that's a lot of work. I have to buy all these parts, all this." It's really not. All you do is you could go to your someone that knows about computer parts. They can help you build one. They can help you figure out the parts. And with immediately, you give them, throw them at $50. They can also build the computer when it comes in. Now, another downside about custom build is that it takes about you pretty much have to wait a period of time of, one, the parts coming in, and two, the person that is building the computer. In my point of view, if I built this with a 3-day service, UPS 3-day service, this would take about a week to get in. Now, there are different UPS services. There's FedEx standard overnight, so it means within a day or two you get your parts. But yeah, this is all, like I said, this all depends on your point of view, really. I prefer buying a custom build because you save $150. And with that $150, you either buy yourself a pair of new shoes, or you can add that money and get yourself a better video card and more RAM or more hard drive, whatever makes you feel comfortable. So yeah, I think the better half is going with a custom build, because custom builds are long-lasting, more performance, and cheap. Factory are very negative, pretty much. I can tell you that. It's very the opposite of custom. So yeah, this was Diddy's Tech. Thanks for watching.